Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see the red line there, that's your 50-day. Green line, middle Bollinger Band, 20-day simple moving average. That is held in the push up from Globex overnight. And what you see here on the hourly chart is there's your middle band. You got monthly pivot just underneath it, 43.77 and change. New weekly pivot is 43.56 half. So let me zoom this one. I'll do that in a second. So Friday was a kind of a consolidation, okay? They dumped it a little bit Sunday night, but they bumped into the 100-day here, and they bumped into the weekly pivot that held it. But they couldn't take it any farther than they bumped into the weekly and the 100-day. Took it up, they bumped into hourly mid, daily mid, and monthly. So it's really just jammed in between all these levels. So I left it alone last night. I didn't mess with it. I'm flat. We had a good week last week. I didn't want to play with it. Let me zoom this for a second. So what I would argue here is we are consolidating. Whether that consolidation continues today, we'll see. But it's a whole lot of big levels on an hourly chart for price to fight through after, a big move down, trying to kind of find itself, taking it back up, but not really back up as far as it would need to. So, they take out the middle band, which is the key to turning the market into a buy dips versus a sell rally market, but they can't finish. And they lose it there late in the day on Friday, and that continues on into last night. So the first order of business for the bulls today is you got to get back above the green line. I'm not super concerned where monthly pivot is. I'm concerned about the green line. If you are going to progress, if you're going to take out the highs from last week right here at 44.21 half, establishing this green line wherever it lies as support is the key. Okay? For the bears, look, you got to take out the weekly pivot. You got to take out the 100. You got to take out the 9-day here. You got to deal with all this price. You have to start living all the time below 43.50. If you can do that, then you can see some retracement. So where did the bears blow it last week? Right here. 42.79 half, 79.75. Higher low versus here, and they really took advantage of it. They really ripped them because they could. And jobs helped a little bit, but what I noticed with the jobs report is you came and spiked it up 44.07.75. We never went back. So there are chinks in the armor of the bull case, more than there usually are. And that's an opportunity for the bears. That's absolutely an opportunity for the bears if they can convert weekly pivot, 100-day, and the 9-day. They got to live below 43.50. That will chase out more weak hands, and you'll start, making a move back towards this roundie. So today is a very interesting day. It's a very important day because you have 2, 3, 4. You have 5 or 6 big inflection points sitting between 43.50 and, call it 43.85. That's a big 35 handle piece of real estate. And look, if it wants to do trading range between there for a couple of days, that makes for great day trading. That's fantastic. That is fantastic. Give me a 30 handle range. That's awesome. So I won't, I'm not going to open that Christmas present until it's time, but that's something to watch out for too, which is basically what it did last night. But since I'm not nocturnal, I left it alone. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come check out the room. Come check out the chat room. The new setups are fantastic. Lays out everything, including basically the last acceptable entry. So we are handing you, look, this is the line. You can do better probably, but this is it. You're either in here or you're on the sidelines, which is better than getting a really bad entry and having it reverse on you. So we're getting a lot of good feedback on that. All right, take care, everybody. Talk to you soon. I'll do my best to get a midday out today about 1:30. All right, take care.